Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to see all my comment on Facebook. So first of all, open my Facebook apps. Now I'm opening it. And tap on the profile icon. And then tap on three line. Activity log. And select this. Comment and reaction. And then select comment. Okay, now shown here your all comment with date and time. That's how you can do it. Hope you are enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial River channel for more video.